Hey guys, it's me, Sierra, and oh yeah, Emily! Hello guys, it's me, Emily! Emily, why are you speaking like this? Well, see, you decided to draw me on your fist. Well, shut up. So, let's get on with the video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make DIY slime that is so satisfying, I recommend making it. So, things that you're going to be needing today are borax, glue, coloring food dye, a spoon, a bowl, and 1 big cup of water. So let's get started. So first I'm going to put half of this in here. About that much. And then I'm going to add a teaspoon of borax. Try to get this out quickly. And then I'm going to mix that together. So we're going to put that aside. And then you take another bowl and you are going to put some water, the rest of the water that you have in here, and add glue.
Walk through life. Every day is a new beginning. Shine your light.
That should be enough. Okay, so now that you have put this in here, you are going to add 8 drops of dye, or you can put more if you want to make it more colorful. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm just going to put 9. And then get ready to be messy. So then you are going to take your hands and mix the glue . Okay, so I'm back and I washed my hands because this stuff is disgusting. And now you're going to add the borax and water to the glue. So just add that in. Extra borax on the bottom there. Again, gotta use your hands. So I'm gonna mix this. Oh my gosh! It's already turning to slime. So what you gotta do is just keep. Okay, so right now I'm going to take the excess and just take all the slime and put it in a bowl. This is a lot of slime. Bits at the bottom. And that's it. So now I'm going to move this aside. Try not to spill it. And I'm going to add the extra water into this bowl. Now this may get messy. So what you're gonna do is just keep kneading it in to mix it all together so it's not Oh my gosh, it's turning out perfect. Oh my gosh. I love started. Okay, so after you're done kneading it and take out all the water, it should become this amazing slime that is so fun to play with. And watch this. Guys, this slime is amazing. I highly recommend making this. Remember, borax, water, dye, and glue, and you will become so satisfied and have so much fun. I will definitely play with this a lot. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please smack that like button and subscribe and comment down below some maybe ideas that you think that maybe the DIY girls should do next. See you later. Emily says goodbye. Goodbye. Mwah. 3, 2, 1, dab on 'em. See you later, guys.